In this video, I will show you exactly how to master the Vizo Lite app so you can start connecting with people all around the world right away. First, you need to download the official app from your app store and open it up. Once the app is ready, you will be prompted to create an account using your email or a social media profile. Make sure to choose a clear profile picture and a friendly username, because this is how others will see you in the community. After your profile is set up, you will find yourself on the main discovery page. This is where the magic happens, and you can browse through various profiles of interesting people. To start a conversation, simply tap on a profile that catches your eye and use the message button. If you prefer real-time interaction, you should try the video call feature, which is the core part of the Vizo Lite experience. Just tap the video icon and wait for a connection to be made. Remember to keep things respectful and follow the community guidelines to ensure a safe environment for everyone. You can also explore the settings menu to manage your privacy and notification preferences. Adjusting these settings helps you control who can reach out to you and how often you get alerts. It is a very simple and intuitive layout designed for quick navigation. I hope this guide helps you get started with confidence. Enjoy making new friends and exploring everything this platform has to offer.